This is how I made $200 in 2 months. Yes, if you're waiting for me to say in 3 days or in 1 week, abeg dey go front. What you need right now is pyramid scheme, and you go find am for front. This money might sound too small for you, but trust me, it's never a small money considering the fact that you are going to be doing nothing, only to stake your USDTs and be making profit of it without even visiting the app or doing anything at all. In fact, I don't want to say much. If you're interested in this, let me know in the comment section. Just comment AEOS. Just go to the comment section and comment AEOS, and I will send the link directly to your DM to get started. So to register, you have to input your email address right here and enter your full name. The country is already here, so go over to the password, enter your password and confirm it. Enter it 2 places. Then enter the referral code. I know once you click my referral link to sign up on this project, the referral code should be there automatically. You don't have to enter anything. But in case you didn't see it, I will also drop the referral code in the comment section for bonus when you sign up. Then after doing all that, you tap on register now. So now you have to log in with that same email address and password that you used to register. Yes, you have to log in. So after logging in, they will bring you to this interface right here. So all you have to do now is to click up here. Click on my knowledge contract. Then as you can see how the interface is, this is my earnings. So for you to get started with your own, go to subscribe new contract. So these are the various or different types of staking packages. This first one is $30. Yes, when this thing started, the people that follow my update when I shared it first, this was around 15 point something, either 15.5. So from this, you will know that the more people are using these packages, the more likely it will, the USDT staking for it will go up. So this is the best period for you to enter this project. If you have little money, let me say around $30, and you are looking for a way to make some profit out of it without even doing anything, this is the best game for you, and you'll be earning 10% every single month. But if you have more than $75, I will advise you go for the $75 own, yes, because it means more profit. But if you don't have much money, the $30 package is the best for you. Yes, you can start small and upgrade later. That's how it works, pass like that. Like you guys know me from the beginning, before I push any updates down to my community, I'll always verify that particular project. Yes, this is the best USD staking you can get. So after deciding the package you want to go for, click on that package, tap on subscribe, and they will bring out their receiving USDT address for you. All you have to do is to transfer your USDT, the exact USDT that they are charging. Don't do pass yourself, or don't go and transfer more than, just transfer the exact one to them, and they will confirm and activate your wallet. You don't even have to be doing anything. They don't need your presence for you to be earning. As long as you have staked the USDT, forget about it. Every week you can withdraw, every month, anytime you want it. I know some of you don't have USDTs, but you have Naira. There are some guys that registered yesterday. They bought USDT from me, and I transfer it to them, and they use it to activate their wallet and start earning. So you can also do the same thing. You can notify me in the comment section. Just comment that you want to buy USDT, or preferably you can message me on WhatsApp. Yes, very fast to be. I prefer that. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Yes, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends and family who you know that might have some USDT they want to invest. Yes, it will be a good one for them. Share it to them, and they will also benefit from this wonderful opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you on my next video. Bye for now.